This is the video tour for the 2020 Nissan NV200 cargo van. We'll do a nice walk around and then show you the inside and start it up. It's got the parking sensors there on the back. Dual sliding doors. It's been freshly serviced. New oil, filter, all that good stuff. Start it up here. Starts up nice and easy. You got your hands-free controls here for the cruise and the radio. Mirror and traction control over there. And you put it in reverse, you got your backup camera right there. And you can connect, AM, FM, Bluetooth, anything like that. Got your bulkhead back here to keep you and your tools nice and separate. You don't want them joining you up here in the cabin. I'll show you the back cargo space right now. Shelving units, rubber floor mat. Good amount of room back here to do what you need to do. It's available on our website, pinetreemotors.com. We have a variety of trucks, SUVs, utility vehicles, cars, so come and check it out, pinetreemotors.com. You can apply for financing. Shoot us a call, shoot us an email, or just come in and test drive it. And yeah, other than that, y'all have a blessed day.